Looking to grow your Instagram? Well, you are at the right place for that. Today, I've got a game-changing blueprint for you, a few steps to skyrocket your Instagram followers to a whopping 10,000 by the end of 10 days. Yes, you've heard that right. 10 days. Now, let's dive into step 1, crafting the right content. Spoiler alert, it's all about reels and stories. Forget the old ways. Instagram is all about short-form content now. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned for the full blueprint, and let's get you those 10,000 followers. Introduction to Instagram growth strategies. Begin by emphasizing the current landscape of Instagram and its transition into a platform where short-form content, particularly reels and stories, plays a pivotal role. Illustrate the shift from traditional content like photos and IGTV to the dominance of short videos, highlighting the success stories of small creators who embrace this change. Collect the foundation followers. When you create an account on the second most visited social media platform, you do not have any followers at all. It is possible to collect the first 100 following people you know, and they will do the same with your account too. These can be friends, relatives, colleagues, classmates, college friends, etc. You can find them by name, look through the accounts suggested by the IG system, and add a list of contacts from other networks, such as Facebook or Twitter, for example. Brands that register on the platform can first attract their regular clients and then start to increase the number of followers too. Content consistency and regular posting. The first question you need to ask yourself: why anybody should follow me? People follow TV stars to know their lifestyle. They follow friends to know how they are doing. And a large group of people follow trainers with fitness content in the vain hope of losing weight with a 7-minute daily workout. So, you need to figure out what content you could provide. It's not necessary to create something outstanding or time-consuming, but it should be consistent. Moreover, consistency is an important feature of all posts that must have eye-catching captions, location, eloquent descriptions, mentions, etc. Keep your audience constantly engaged. The content you add must be not only appealing, but also engaging. It should inspire followers to like it, leave comments, and repost. When your app notifies you about a new comment, it is very important to respond to it as fast as possible and encourage people for further discussion. Interaction is a key to growing engagement, while the last one will pop up the position of your post due to that, and more personalities will see it. As a result, those who will like it too can become your new subscribers too. Navigating trending topics in your niche. Guide readers on how to identify trending topics within their niche by exploring top hashtags and observing the strategies of successful small creators. Emphasize the importance of not just recreating but also adding a personal touch to content that has proven successful. Leveraging sounds, descriptions, and calls to action. Explore the technical aspects of Instagram growth, such as using trending sounds, writing compelling descriptions, and incorporating effective calls to action. Explain how these elements contribute to increased visibility and follower engagement. The reel revolution. People nowadays just want instant gratification, so they need short videos. Explore the specific lengths that are gaining the most traction, 5 to 11 seconds, and illustrate how the looping feature can maximize engagement. Share examples of successful reels that have propelled creators to new heights. Learning from initial attempts, analyzing the journey of content. Creators who successfully leveraged Instagram Reels reveals that initial attempts might not yield substantial results. Thumbnails lacking attention, grabbing elements, and the absence of subtitles can hinder engagement. Engaging thumbnails, background music, and subtitles emerge as key components in maximizing watch time and reaching a broader audience. Use hashtags. People search for their favorite topics in Instagram's search tool, and you want your content to show up in those searches. Your hashtags should always be in the description of your post. not in separate comments. Putting the hashtags directly in your caption ensures that your posts will be associated with the hashtags you use.